Hey YouTube, this is Brandon at The Edge Pro, and we're going to start talking about wear parts on clippers. Today we're looking at blade drive on an Andis clipper. We're specifically working on the Andis SMC clipper. We're going to go through that repair and everything that's needed to get that replaced for you. So let's head on over to the repair desk and check it out. The tools that you're going to need for replacing the blade drive on the Andis rotary motor tools is going to be a number 1 Phillips screwdriver and also a number 1 flathead screwdriver. Alrighty, well, we're over here at the repair desk and we're going to look at the wear parts on an Andis rotary motor tools. So for the sake of this video, I've just got an Excel 5-speed clipper that we've taken the cord off of to make things easier for us. But these wear parts are going to be the same on all Andis rotary motor tools. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the blade drive. What the blade drive does is it's going to increase our stroke that the clipper has, so it's going to help our blades, it's going to reduce noise and vibration, and it's a pretty significant part that needs to be replaced. In the instruction manual it talks about replacing these. For a full-time groomer, we want to, for best results, having these replaced every month is going to be best practice. So first we're going to start by looking at the blade drive. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this drive cap off, and all we need to do is pull back on it just like that, and it comes off. There's just three little clips right here in the front. When we go to put it back on, we'll just slide it in like that and then push them down, and it snaps right back into place. So we'll take that off for now. And this clear plastic piece is what we call the blade drive. And the only thing holding it on are these 2 screws right here. So we're going to go ahead and take those screws out. Alright, so we've gotten the screws taken out now. So there's 2 ways you can take this off of the clipper. One would be is we would go ahead and take the hinge off. This piece right here is the hinge. We'll talk about that next, but we're going to go ahead and take it off without taking the hinge off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the screwdriver in between the drive and this front housing piece, just right up underneath there like that, and then just give it a little bit of a twist. Use a slotted screwdriver so that it slides under there nicely. Now you can see the drive is pivoted up, and we'll just go ahead and pull it out. Alright, so now the blade drive is off, and what we need to do, things we need to look at when we go to put the blade drive back on, first is going to be this little pin right here, and then also this little slot right there. Those are going to be 2 pieces that correspond with our blade drive. On the blade drive, that pin is going to go in this front hole right here, and this little tab right there is going to go in that slot. So to put this in, what I'm going to do is the tongue of the blade drive, so this front piece up here, what we would call the tongue, is going to go through the hinge like that, and then the rest of the blade drive I'm going to push down with my thumbs into place. You'll kind of hear and feel it snap. And what we're looking at is, if you look at that hole, the pin is through the hole and the tab is in the slot. Then we're going to put our screws back in and tighten them down. Alright, so we put our screws back in, we tightened them down. There's a lot of violence that goes on in this area, so the tighter we can make those screws, the better things are going to work out for us. And this is a repair that's so important to stay up on, especially this time of year in the spring. We have more work going on for grooming, and this is going to make your life a lot easier to stay up on this repair. Next time we're going to talk about the hinge and how that gets replaced. And we appreciate your time for watching this video. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So we got a lot more clippers we're going to talk about.